and it's now time for our first panel of the conference. And to moderate this, I'd like to introduce Mr. Abdullah Nasrallah, who's the Executive Director and Principal Advisor for Meta Arabia. Abdullah is a business leader and transformation expert and an executive coach. For more than 2 decades, Abdullah has been helping and overseeing successful strategy and transformation journeys for governments and enterprises in the MENA region. As an ex-Kearney and currently the Executive Director and Principal Advisor of Meta Arabia, it's a consultancy specializing in strategy and transformation services and business solutions of emerging and future technologies. An advocate for innovation, economy enablement, and digital transformation, Abdullah is motivated to help and energize people and organizations to improve their business performance, capabilities, and workplaces. Abdullah, over to you.
Thank you, Greg. Can you hear me well? Can you see me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can't see you just yet, but we will.
How about now?
Yes, there we go.
All right. Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Greg and DigiConnect, for this opportunity. And happy to be here with you in this event. I can agree more with what Mr. Ayman and Mr. Raif started about the digital transformation and how to start such a journey. And in order to start our panel, as we all know, Jordan has started its digital transformation journey as part of the digital economy. And Jordan is positioned as a regional technology hub, and it's very important for its digital economy to get shape and keep the pace with the new advancements. Our objective of this panel is to actually spark or ignite ideas and listen to our esteemed experts on how to accelerate the Jordanian digital transformation journey for a better digital economy, competitive both regionally and globally. With us today, we have a diverse panel of experts who are coming from different aspects of the digital economy pillars, namely the government, regulation, advisory, and service providers. So I hope you'll find it both enjoyable and insightful as we go through the discussion. Let me start introducing our esteemed panelists. At the beginning, we have His Excellency Mr. Bilal Hafnawi, who's the Commissioner and Board member of the Jordan Telecommunication Regulatory Commission, TRC. He has more than 19 years of experience in senior roles in technology management and leadership, strategy and regulation. He has a very vast experience in multinational vendor and service providers like Huawei, Motorola, Nokia, Samsung, and STC. His main focus, or many of his main areas of focus, are regulatory, management consulting, digital transformation, and entrepreneurship. He's a certified MIT in executive management and leadership of technology. Next on our esteemed panel is Engineer Abdulqadir Al-Batayne, the Director of Policy and Strategy Department at the Ministry of Digital Economy and Entrepreneurship. Mr. Abdulqadir has a bachelor degree in electronic engineering from the University of Liverpool. He was previously the General Manager of Regulatory Affairs at Oman Telecom Company. Before that, he used to be working with the Regulatory Authority of Digital and Communication in the United Arab Emirates and the TRC, or the Telecom Regulatory Authority of Jordan, Battleco Jordan, and Royal or Jordanian Air Force. Next in line is Mr. Mohammed Seer, who's a digital government and public sector consulting leader at EY for the MENA region. He's a veteran expert in executive leadership for both government and private sector across the globe. He's an associate partner with Ernst & Young Consulting Services in the AM region. He's actively engaged in crafting and facilitating meaningful and impactful socially conscious results for the government and the public sector. Before joining Ernst & Young in 2014, he's held senior executive roles in both public and private sector organizations, including UK government, telecommunication company, and business consulting. Next is Mr. Mohammed Al-Yahya, who is the Chief Operating Officer of STS. Mr. Mohammed has a breadth of international and regional executive experience and has electrical engineering and a Master's of Science in IT and an MBA degree. He is empowered to lead the operating model and transformation business model of STS. And he's also looking at enhancing the quality of services of STS customers. Last but not least is Mr. Munir Buchadidi, who's a principal digital transformation specialist at Oracle with over 20 years of experience supporting mega transformations. He's also a researcher in digital technology and is a faculty member of the University of Antwerp in Belgium. He holds an MBA from the University of Manchester and a Master's of Science in Software Engineering. Welcome, everybody, and I hope that I've not missed anyone in the panel.